Now that you have booked your flight to Jamaica, do not forget to complete the C5 Customs Immigration Form before you leave the country. It is advisable that you complete the form online and prior to your flight. You may do so up to 30 days before your flight. This allows you to enter Jamaica and get on with your vacation without any hassle at the airport. This goes for anyone entering Jamaica, whether you are a tourist or a citizen. So again, you must, after you book your flight, go ahead and complete the C5 Customs Immigration Form online and have that ready so when you get to the airport, you do not have to fill it and wait online. This is the same form you would have completed on the flight when you're entering Jamaica or when you're about to land. It is that same form. Now the form is digitized and you may fill it online before you leave home. This eliminates the wait at the airport and it eliminates you trying to find a pen on the flight while you're jet lagged. So fill the form online, get it over with, and then breeze through customs and immigration, and you can get on with your vacation sooner. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.